In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add and adjust a watermark on your Canva document. Watermarks are a fantastic way to protect your designs, mark your work, or simply add another layer of branding. Whether you're using Canva for professional purposes or personal projects, understanding how to efficiently manage watermarks can really elevate your design game. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to go to your Canva document. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so to access your saved projects. Navigate to the specific document where you'd like to add a watermark. Canva's interface is user-friendly, so with the document open, you should see a range of tools and options on the left-hand side. Take a few moments to familiarize yourself with this layout if you haven't done so already. Once you're set, it's time to move on to typing in your watermark. This can be anything from your name, business name, or a simple logo that represents your brand. Just click on the text tool, which is often represented by a large T on the toolbar, and type in your desired watermark text. Position it on the page where you'd like it to appear. You have full control to resize and drag it to the perfect location on your design. This initial step forms the basis of creating a recognizable and consistent mark on all your documents. Now we get to fine-tuning the appearance of your watermark by adjusting transparency. This is a crucial step because a watermark should be visible enough to mark your design, but subtle enough not to overshadow the primary content. Find the transparency option, which you'll notice is represented by an icon resembling black and white boxes, somewhat like a chessboard. This tool is usually at the upper middle of your screen. Clicking on it allows you to adjust the watermark's transparency slider to find the perfect balance. Lower transparency means a lighter watermark, while a higher setting will make it more prominent. Take your time here to ensure it enhances rather than detracts from your design's overall look. After you've adjusted the transparency to your liking, take a moment to review the entire document. Make sure the watermark is positioned well and looks exactly how you want it to. Double-check for any final adjustments you might need to make, whether that's tweaking the size or repositioning slightly. And there you have it. You're done. You've successfully added and adjusted a watermark to your Canva document. By following these simple steps, you can now create designs that carry your personal or brand signature, offering both protection and professionalism. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment further with different text styles, positions, and transparency levels as you develop your watermarking skills. Thank you for joining today, and happy designing!